Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we on our split screen in our realme phone, and guys how can you use it in this video guys I am going to show you friends. So if you want to on guys your split screen settings, so guys how can you on it in this video guys I will show you. So man, first of all open your phone setting without wasting time, then guys scroll it and guys you can see guys your phone special feature setting, can tap here a split screen. First one setting is tap here. So you can see guys your split screen setting, then guys you can on from here. After guys you can see guys this swipe up with three finger to enter the split screen. Guys you can see how to use it guys, three finger do like that. So you will do like that. So you can guys use your split screen. Then guys you can use guys your tool screen. Guys how guys you can operate guys YouTube and guys this setting also guys. So you can use guys your tool screen from here guys. So after on guys your split screen guys you can use guys your two settings. So I hope friends you have understood how to on split screen and guys how to use it. That's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.